Date-wise item pricing. This presentation will give you an overview on using date-wise item pricing feature in Busy. With date-wise item pricing feature, you can specify date-wise prices for an item. The prices you will specify will be applicable till the next date for which you will specify another prices. To enable this option, click Administration, Configuration, Features Options, Inventory tab. In the Inventory tab, enable the option of Enable Date-wise Item Pricing. Click Save button to save the configuration. Now we will create an item master. Here we are creating a new item with the name Ruh Afza, specified its group as beverages. On pressing the enter key on opening stock quantity field, an update date-wise item price window will appear. In the window you can specify the date from which the new prices will be applicable. Here we have specified the date as 1st April 2016 and have specified the sale price as 100 rupees and purchase price as 80 rupees. So from 1st April onwards, the price of item Ruh Afza will be 100 rupees. Now we will be entering a sales voucher. We have entered details related to the header of the sale. We have selected the item as Ruh Afza and here you can see the price is coming as 100 rupees. The voucher is of 5th April and in the item master we have specified that from 1st April onward the selling price of the item will be 100 rupees. Now again we go to the item modify mode. We have opened the Ruh Afza item in the modify mode and click the date-wise item price info button. Here we have specified that from 25th April onwards the selling price of the item will be 120 rupees. Now again we are entering a sales voucher. We have entered the voucher for 5th April, so it is displaying the price as 100 rupees. Now we have changed that voucher date to 26th April and Busy has shown us the message that update prices according to the date. If you click the yes button in the message box, then prices will be updated accordingly. As we have specified that from 25th April onwards the price will be 120 rupees. Hence, after clicking the yes button in the message box, Busy is displaying the price of the item Ruh Afza as 120 rupees. If you want, you can bulk update the prices of the items by using Administration, Bulk Updation, Multiple Item Creation Modification option. Using this option, you can select various items of a particular group or your choice and then update prices of all these items at one go. Here we have only one item, so we have selected that item and have specified its sales price as 125 rupees. At the bottom of the window there is an option price on date. Here you can specify the date from which the new prices will take place or the new prices will be effective. Here we have specified the date as 1st May 2016. Now if you want, you can see the effect of this price in item master itself also. We have opened the item Ruh Afza in modify mode. Click the date-wise item pricing info button. Here you can see it is displaying that from 1st May onward, the price of the item Ruh Afza will be 125 rupees. Hope after going through this presentation, you would be able to easily use date-wise item pricing feature in Busy. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.